Today we're making a fun and easy apple Snickers salad dessert, which is the perfect summer treat for potlucks, barbecues, and family get-togethers. So make sure to stick around and watch. I'm going to be using a 3-pound bag of the Granny Smith apples. These are the best for it because they're tart and they're not overly sweet. So I have a total of 8 of them. Then 1 box of vanilla pudding, 6 Snicker bars, regular size. We're gonna use 5 of them, and then the 6th one we'll use for garnishing as well. 1 cup of milk. Typically you use like a smaller whipped cream container, but I'm using the big one because I'm gonna make it extra fluffy. So that's that. And then I just have some caramel topping for the garnishing on the top as well. You're also going to be needing a little mixing spoon and a bowl to place everything in. And I'm gonna be using just a little plate to mix my pudding. All right, let's get started on this delicious Snickers apple dessert. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is dice all of my apples. I went ahead and washed them. And now I'm just gonna cut. You can dice your apples to whatever size you prefer. It's very optional. Then after I'm done slicing the apples, I'm simply adding my 1 cup of milk and the packet of the pudding all together, and I'm going to mix it very well. You're going to see that the consistency of this pudding is very thick because I am not making it like typical pudding. I do want that thickness so that when I add the whipped cream in, it mixes everything very well.
I completely forgot to cut up my Snickers. Usually this is something I like to do very early on so that I could just mix my apples in there, but I didn't. So what I'm gonna do is add my apples in here because I don't want them to get too yucky looking. You could add lemon to it if you want to prevent them from getting brown. And then I'll go in and add the Snickers.
Every time I make this dessert is an absolute hit, and this was no different. There was absolutely nothing left, and everybody kept saying how amazing and delicious it was. The great thing about this dessert is that it's not overly sweet, and the tartness and crispiness of the apples just bring a little bit of freshness to the whole dessert.
This is my last one that I'm gonna be using for garnishing. I'm just gonna keep that one to the side after I'm done cutting.
So it's truly an amazing summer dessert to give a try, especially since you don't have to turn on the oven or anything.
All right, now that I'm done with cutting these, I'm simply going to spread them around. I'm trying to separate all the pieces because sometimes the caramel gets sticky in between.
If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you ever make any of my recipes, please go ahead and tag me on your social media because I would love to see how your dishes turn out. Now that everything is mixed together, I'm simply taking my 1 Snickers and garnishing the top of the salad with it. And then I'm using the caramel topping and I'm drizzling it all over the top just to give it that nice final caramelly touch. Finally, I'm covering the entire dish with some saran wrap and I'm placing it in the fridge to cool until today's get together. Make sure to check this next video for another amazing recipe for your next get together. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.